Hello and welcome to another video. Today we'll be looking at a strategy you can use to trade volatility 75 index on the 5 minutes time frame. All right, this strategy makes use of indicators, but not just indicators. You have to use trend lines. What do I mean by trend lines? I have just two windows. I have the main window. This is the main window. This is the main window, and I have indicator window one. Okay, indicator window one on the 5 minutes time frame. On the 5 minutes indicator window one. Now, how does this work? Uh, you plot trend lines to find the range, because most of the time, price moves in a range, but at the end of the day, price breaks out of the range. So for the greater part of the time where price moves in the range, you plot your trend line. Okay, this is your trend line. This is the upper part of the range, the upper boundary of the range. And then this is the lower boundary of the range. Okay, now in as much as you have your range boundaries, you have the upper boundary and you have the lower boundary. So you'll be looking at where there will likely be a range breakout. Okay, like we have a range breakout here. Okay, at this point, you now combine the breakout point with what is happening on indicator window one. And what's happening on indicator window one is the red line crosses downwards around here. So that gives us the sell signal. You are combining that with the breakout that's happening on this is the lower range, the range bottom, and then you have price breaking lower. Okay, so then you place your sell trade just like the way I've placed my sell trade here. But apart from that, you can also trade this strategy with crossovers, with the indicator called crossovers, where the red and yellow lines cross above the blue, green, and brown lines. You can place your buy trade just like you have around here. Okay, you check that with what's happening on the indicator window one, where the red line crosses above the blue lines, just like what you have here, for you to buy. So, like around here, you have a range. You have a range around here. Okay, this is your range high. That's your range low, rather. The bottom of your range, and this is the top of your range. Excuse me, let me delete this. Okay, this is the top of your range. Okay, all right, you have a fake out there at the middle. Okay, now you have a breakout of the range around here. Okay, for you to sell. Then you look at what's happening on the on indicator window one. All right, you can see the red line crossing below, red line crossing below the uh blue line. Okay, so another range, we have another range around here. Okay, you have another range around here. Excuse me, where was I? Okay, around here you have another range. Okay, this is the range bottom, and this is the range top. Okay, I can see breakouts aligns with the breakout on the lower time frame. Okay, breakout aligns with the breakout on the lower time frame. Now let's look at the indicators. Okay, for the main window, remember this 5 minutes time frame. For the main window, we have moving average. The period is 13, shift is 0. Method is exponential, apply to close. Color is brown. Then you also have another moving average. Okay, period is 18, shift is 0. Method is exponential, apply to close, and color is green. Then you have the third moving average. Period is 21, shift is 0. Method is exponential, apply to close, color is blue. Then you have Bollinger Bands. Period is 2. Deviation is 0.050. Shift is 0. Apply to close. Color is orange. Then you have another Bollinger Bands. Period is 3. Deviation is 0.050. Shift is 0. Apply to close. Color is red. Then you have fractals, okay? And then on the indicator window 1, you have MACD. Fast EMA is 12. Slow EMA is 26. MACD SMA is 9. Apply to close. And there's no color. Then you have a moving average. Period is 250. Shift is 0. Method is linear weight. Apply to first indicator's data. Color is blue. Then you have another moving average. Period is 200. Shift is 0. Method is linear weight. Apply to first indicator's data. Now color is deep blue. Then you have another moving average. Uh, Period is 1. Shift is 0. Method is linear weight. Apply to first indicators data. Color is red. So that's that for the parameters of the indicators. Okay, it's a very good strategy. Make sure you backtest backtest it, check it in line with what has happened in history. Does it really work? Is it really a good strategy? Like you can see, price is still going down as a result of the breakout and as a result of the crossover on the um, indicator window 1. So if you look further into history, okay, we have look at what's happening. You can see the orange and red line crossing down below the blue, green, and brown lines for you to have a sell around here. And if you look at what's happening on the indicator window 1, you also have another excuse me, you also have another crossover on the indicator window 1. Okay, and then that gives you a sell trade or sell signal. Okay, and like around here you have a range. You have a range around here. Okay, excuse me. You have a range around here. Okay, let's look at it. Okay, there's a range. All right, as the upper boundary and the lower boundary, and you can see what happened as you have the range breakouts around this place. There's a range breakout, and this tallies with the range breakout. This crossover here tallies with the range breakout. And another important thing is as price trends up, you can see there's appreciable distance between the red and the orange line from the green, blue, and green line. There's a distance between as price trends up. There's a distance; it widens. Okay, so that's that for the strategy. It's a good strategy. Make sure you try it out on demo account first before going live. Don't go live on new strategy. Okay, so make sure you click the subscribe button. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. Okay, so that you get to see more videos. Uh, Also click the like button if you like this particular video. Click the like button. Okay, you can also click the bell button below the video for notification, so that when next we release another video, you'll be the first to see the video on your notification dashboard. Okay, you'll be notified. Then you can drop your comments, uh, ask question. We'll try as much as possible to respond to your question. Also, you can go to our website www.binfxtrader.com to learn more on how to trade forex and volatility index. Or you can also go to another website of ours, fxfables.com, to learn more on how to trade volatility index and forex. All right, till I come your way next time, is bye for now.